friends. I just wanted to tell you how to make sure that you fill out your participation contract every single week. So every week of work time during the research project, you're going to fill out this contract, and this is going to show me what you got done this week, everything that you did, so I know you're getting your work done and you're accomplishing the things that you want to accomplish, and then I'm going to give you points for it. So each week, you're going to find this document, you're going to put your name right here in this box. And then you're going to write down what your goals were for the week. So everything that you wanted to get done. For example, the first week, you probably want to get done choosing a partner if you want to have one, choosing a topic, and then you probably put your name and your topic choice into the document that I sent out. Maybe you wanted to get some initial research started. So write that stuff down for your goals and then put the date that you made your goals. Under reflection for the week, what did you actually accomplish? So, did you choose your partner? Did you choose a topic? Did you begin your research? There's a Mac and VIA video that I wanted you to watch to make sure you understand how to use the Mac and VIA database. So, if you did that, write down that you did that. This Is My Source Credible assignment is an article and an assignment that you needed to do for 10 points. So, if you got that assignment done, put that here. If you did start doing some research and you started your research journal with your partner, make sure you write that down too. That research journal needs to be shared with me. So if you did that, just explain that here and then put the date when you're done. So everything that you got done, what did you accomplish? Then you can grade yourself here out of 10. I might change your grade depending on how much work you got done and if you turned your assignments in or not. So give yourself a grade right here out of 10. The bottom is more for fun and for me to be able to connect with you. So please tell me your up and down for this week, what went well this week, and then maybe what did not go so well. I miss you guys, and I hope this is helpful. Again, email me if you have any questions or you need anything. I'll talk to you soon. See ya.